How to install your Nexxt Home Smart Wi-Fi door lock. Make sure you have everything you need at hand. First, all the parts included in the box. First, let's install the deadbolt latch set. Before installing the latch on the door, make sure the bolt is positioned according to the marked orientation. Insert the bolt through the small hole on the edge of the door and slide it fully into the crossbar. Use the screwdriver to secure the bolt to the edge of the door with two 4 by 20 mm screws. Now it is time to mount the keypad assembly on the exterior side of the door. If the door diameter does not match the cylinder on the front panel, it can be easily removed by loosening the two internal screws. Once the cylinder is removed, make sure to secure the fixing plate back in place. To install the front panel, ensure the power cable passes through the pre-drilled hole in the door leaf, underneath the latch. Insert the spindle through the T-shaped slot and the cylinders through the two holes in the bolt. This is how the backside should look once the front panel is installed. Now remove the mounting plate on the rear side of the interior assembly. To remove it, take off the battery cover from the rear panel and loose the pair of screws inside. Now, insert the power cable through the rectangular opening, as well as the spindle and the cylinders through their respective holes in the mounting plate. Make sure the plate is straight and aligned in the correct direction as indicated by the arrow. Then, screw it firmly to the door with a screwdriver. Connect the assemblies of the external and internal units using the power cable. Attach the connector of the power cable, coming from the keypad unit to the white socket on the back of the internal unit, making sure the connector orientation matches the port. Insert the spindle through the T-shaped slot and secure the internal unit to the mounting plate. Insert the spindle through the notch. Ensure that the main spindle hole is vertical and secure the internal unit to the mounting plate. Now, reinsert the screws that were previously removed to release the mounting plate and tighten them. At this point, the lock is fully secured to the door. The exterior and interior units are properly connected and mounted on the door. Make sure the deadbolt is in the retracted or open position before powering the lock with the batteries. Insert 4 new AA batteries into the battery compartment. Then slide the compartment cover down until it clicks into place. You will hear a beep, the blue LED light will turn on, and the latch will extend and retract. Then you will hear the message, door direction recognition successfully, and see a number 5 on the screen, indicating that the Wi-Fi smart lock is fully installed, powered on, and ready to operate.